We are back on the Global Opportunities with EBM, Ernest Boniface Makulilo. And we are talking about green card and green card by lottery. Why should you apply for green card? Why? Why do we make even these videos? To educate you about this green card. I know there are some people already established in their countries, and they know for sure that for the financial status I have, for the assets I have, I don't need to be a permanent resident. I want to give you some of the benefits for you and your family if you are a green card holder of the United States of America. Yes, right now, you are a director of an organization. Right now, you are a founder and the CEO of another organization or your own company. Right now, maybe you just graduated, you got a job at one of the bank and you are assistant manager or you are a manager. You might think that you own the world and everything is good, which is very good. Now maybe you are a farmer with a lot of investment in the farming industry. But have you ever thought to expand yourself around the world? Remember, when God created a human being, said, go to the world, to the planet Earth, conquer, multiply. Didn't say, go to this particular country, go to this particular region. So you can expand your business. If you have green card or you are permanent resident, you can have access to come and go back to your own country or to other countries and do a lot of things in a better way. You can get a lot of business loans easier because of that particular status. But for the family-wise, if you are a permanent resident, you are here, and your kids are going to be permanent resident, let's say through lottery or any other way, that means you give opportunity to your children so that they can be in a position to succeed. You create a dream for your children. And you don't need to live in America if you win green card or if you have green card. You can live in your own country. But you have to follow certain regulations that if you go outside the America, you must live not exceeding 6 months in a row. So you can go there and live maybe in South Africa for 5 months, then you come here and stay 2 weeks, then you go back, you can do that. Or you can file, or you can sign, you fill the form, it's called advance parole form. You fill the form, that form, you can fill the form and stay maybe 2 years outside America. You can be able to do that. So there are so many benefits just beyond yourself. So think just beyond the box. You are not, there are countries I know they don't have dual citizenship. You are not allowed to have more than one citizenship. So green card is not a US citizenship status. You will continue to have your own passport. So if you want to become a politician, you can become and continue with your life. And with green card by lottery, just to apply the lottery, the best of it is free of charge to apply. You are not supposed to pay anything, and you'll use just less than 5 minutes to fill that form. But if you win, yes, you have to pay a certain amount of money for the processing of the visa and the medical and the other things, which we'll talk about. But all in all, there are so many benefits. Myself, I came as a scholar to the United States in 2008. Later, I became an international student. Then I became a permanent resident, green card holder, but through marriage, not through lottery. I didn't win green card by lottery. Then I became a US citizen of the United States of America. But we'll talk about that, how to become a US citizen down the road.